Habpro, professional driveway gate services since 1978.
Here's another FAAC operator, and this one also took a voltage hit. Batteries are good. We tested the arm. You can test the arms on these by hooking them up directly. Turned out that the safety sensor was bad, and so was the circuit board. So both of those have been replaced. You can see right now it's going through its cycling. Once you start the programming process on it, it will open and close on its own until it reaches its travel points. It's got positive stops on the system, and then it will cycle itself several times. After it's learned its limits, then it will operate it at its normal speed, and then this customer will be all set. Unfortunately, lightning wreaks havoc on anything electronic these days, and gate openers are one of those things. So it's not unusual to see these kinds of repairs. For all of your gate opener and garage door needs, contact Habpro Garage Doors in Atlanta, 770-985-3355, or find us online at habprogaragedoors.com.